guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to draw Maa Durga's face and I'm super excited to draw this because Maa Durga is coming. It's Durga Pujo. It's Pujo. Pujoর গন্ধ ছড়িয়ে গেছে. I'm so excited for Pujo. So let's get into the drawing. I am drawing the outline first and you can see I have drawn a vertical line which will be the central line of the face which divides the face into two symmetry. I have drawn guidelines for the eyebrows, for the eyes which are horizontal guidelines, and I have marked two vertical lines alongside the symmetrical line which will be guiding the shape of the nose, and from those vertical lines I have drawn the eyebrow. Another vertical line I have drawn just beside the nose vertical line to draw the eye. So this is how we draw a face actually. Usually we draw the face of Maa Durga in this way. And on the bottommost horizontal guideline I have drawn the lips. Now I will erase the guidelines and again I will redraw everything and I will define every feature of the face, like from eyes, from eyebrows to eyeballs, the nose ring, the lips, the smile of the face. Everything I will draw now, so keep watching how I am drawing every detail of the face and comment below how do you like this art. Well, I am thinking to draw this face of Maa Durga in a way, it's a Bengali traditional way of drawing which is called potochitra, and suddenly I saw this art style in Pinterest and I thought of drawing it. Well, it's the exact potochitra is done on other way, but I am just drawing this from the inspiration of potochitra. Like my art is inspired from potochitra. It's not potochitra, but the design structure is potochitra type. I hope you get my point. So I will be drawing the entire face with a black pen and this will be completed in the potochitra style. So I'm heading towards the completion of the face, the outline of the face, and then I am drawing the Chalchitra structure. Well, Chalchitra is the backdrop where we usually place the idols of Maa Durga and other gods. So I have drawn that structure, and below the face of Maa Durga I have drawn one Trishul which is kept horizontally. I will also draw two flowers, and these flowers bloom specifically during autumn time and before Durga Puja, and we offer these flowers to Maa Durga. These flowers are called Shivli flower. Another name of this flower is Parijat. So I'm drawing Parijat flowers, and these are called, I guess, night blooming jasmine in English. So these are very fragrance-full flowers, very beautiful, very cute flowers we collect in the morning. We used to do puja with these flowers. So in this way I will complete the outline drawing and then I will move towards drawing the details using pen. And I'm actually enjoying very much drawing this because this is the first time I'm drawing something different. Last year I have drawn with color pencils. That was a realistic one, and I already had done other drawings using color pencil, but this time drawing Maa Durga's face using pen, and that too in potochitra style. First of all, I had taken a lot of time to understand that how the features are drawn using in the potochitra style. Like I had to understand that step, then I headed towards drawing actually. And then this chalchitro, the trishul, the flowers was already in my mind, but I was confused like how to compose them. Actually, I did not have any watercolor or any color in my room, so I was a little confused of what to draw. But then suddenly I saw the Patachitra style art in Pinterest, and I'm like, okay, my brain just clicks suddenly. Yeah, I'm going to draw this only. I'm going to, not this, the drawing which is shown in the Pinterest, but whatever I have in my mind, I'm going to draw this in Patachitra style. And this is the basic style of drawing Maa Durga face which we used to draw in our entire childhood. We used to practice Maa Durga's face in this way every year. The thing is, we used to put the jewelries in a different way, like the original traditional way, but here I have kept jewelries, everything in a different way because it is a Patachitra style. And yeah, I have to show that Patachitra style. And you can see I am drawing the face, the thin hairlines on the sides of the face, everything in a potochitra style. There is one feature in potochitra style is that when you draw any line, let's say the outer curvature of the face or the nose guidelines, I am drawing two guidelines. This is one style of potochitra. And moving on, you can see I have drawn the chalchitra also. There are double guidelines on the chalchitra, and the design above the chalchitra there is also double guidelines. Well, there is a specific style of drawing here also. We make either parallel or maybe lines which are parallel to each other, but maybe they're curved, because I have drawn a curly style of hair of Maa Durga on the facial structure. I did not draw in a straight style, so these parallel lines are going in a curvature. So in this way we draw the hair in potochitra. These are my observations on potochitra. Comment below what are your observations on potochitra. So in this way I'm gradually filling the face of Maa Durga. I'm gradually filling my drawing, and keep watching my videos. If you like my video, please like and share my video as much as you can, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you're watching from Facebook, don't forget to like my Facebook page. Your subscribe and like motivates me a lot, so keep watching.